Are you ready to hit the road and start your cycling journey, but unsure where to begin? Finding the right bike as a beginner can be exciting, but with so many options out there, it can also feel overwhelming. That's where we come in. Today, we'll guide you through the top 5 bikes for beginners, ranked from number 5 to the ultimate best. These bikes are chosen to make your first ride smooth, fun, and unforgettable. Whether you're dreaming of effortless city commutes, weekend adventures on rugged trails, or speeding down open roads, we've found something perfect for every beginner. You'll learn about the features, benefits, and what makes each bike stand out, so you can confidently choose the one that fits your style and goals. Ready to find the bike that's right for you? Let's dive into our top 5 picks and get you rolling into a new adventure. So, whether you're looking for comfort, performance, or all-around value, there's a bike on this list that's perfect for you. 5. Schwinn Discover, best cruiser bike for beginners. Overview. The Schwinn Discover is a classic cruiser bike that's perfect for leisurely rides around the neighborhood or along scenic paths. With its comfortable saddle and upright handlebars, it's designed for relaxed cycling. The built-in rear rack adds functionality, making it ideal for casual commuting or carrying light loads. Key features: frame material, aluminum. Gears, 21-speed Shimano drivetrain. Brakes, linear pull brakes. Extras, rear rack and fenders for added convenience. Pros, extremely comfortable riding position for relaxed rides. Stylish design with practical features like the rear rack. Suitable for various weather conditions with fenders. Easy to maintain and repair. Cons, limited to flat terrains, struggles on inclines, slower compared to hybrid or road bikes. Price range, $450 to $550. The Schwinn Discover is perfect for beginners looking for a stylish and functional bike for short, leisurely rides or light commuting. 4. Specialized Rockhopper 29, best mountain bike for beginners. Overview. If your adventures lean towards trails and rugged terrains, the Specialized Rockhopper 29 is a fantastic entry-level mountain bike. Designed to handle off-road challenges, its durable construction and high-quality components ensure a stable and fun riding experience. The 29-inch wheels provide excellent traction and stability on uneven surfaces, making it a top choice for trail enthusiasts. Key features: frame material, A1 premium aluminum. Gears, Shimano Alta 16 speed drivetrain. Brakes, hydraulic disc brakes for superior stopping power. Tires, ground control sport 29 by 2.3 inches. Pros, exceptional performance on trails and rugged terrains. Sturdy and durable frame suitable for rough use. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure smooth and responsive stopping. Large wheels for better traction and control. Cons, heavier compared to hybrid or road bikes. Not ideal for city commuting or paved roads. Price range, $750 to $900. For beginners eager to explore mountain biking, the Specialized Rockhopper 29 offers exceptional value and performance on challenging trails. 3. Co-op Cycles C2i 1.1, best value all-around bike. Overview. For those who want a bike that can handle a bit of everything, the Co-op Cycles C2i 1.1 is an outstanding choice. This hybrid bike is great for city commuting, fitness rides, and even light trail adventures. Its versatile design and reliable components make it a standout option for beginners who want a do-it-all bike. Key features: frame material, aluminum. Gears, Shimano Altus 24 speed drivetrain. Brakes, hydraulic disc brakes for excellent stopping power. Tires, 700x40C with puncture protection for added durability. Pros, highly versatile and reliable for various terrains. Superior braking power, especially in wet conditions. Comfortable ride quality for both short commutes and long rides. Great value for its features and performance. Cons: heavier than high-end models in its category. Basic design aesthetics compared to premium models. Price range: $600 to $800. The Co-op Cycle CTY 1.1 is a fantastic all-rounder for beginner cyclists seeking versatility and dependability in a bike. 2. Trek Domain AL2, best road bike for beginners. Overview: the Trek Domain AL2 is a road bike designed for beginners eager to explore the world of road cycling. Its lightweight frame and endurance-focused geometry provide a smooth and stable ride, even over long distances. With sleek aesthetics and top-tier components, this bike is perfect for those looking to improve their speed and endurance on paved roads. Key features: frame material, alpha aluminum. Gears: Shimano Clair 16-speed drivetrain. Brakes: dual pivot caliper brakes. Tires: Bontrager R1 hard case light, 700x28C for road-specific performance. Pros: lightweight and highly responsive for road cycling. Comfortable geometry for long rides and endurance training. Easy to upgrade components for future customization. Excellent value for performance and quality. Cons: limited to paved roads. Unsuitable for off-road use. Slightly higher price point for beginner cyclists. Price range: $1,000 to $1,200. The Trek Domain AL2 is an ideal choice for beginners committed to road cycling, offering performance and comfort in one sleek package. 1. Giant Escape 3, best hybrid bike for beginners. Overview: claiming the top spot on our list is the Giant Escape 3, a versatile hybrid bike that excels in commuting, fitness, and leisure riding. It combines the comfort of a cruiser with the efficiency of a road bike, making it an excellent all-around choice for beginners. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures ease of handling, while the upright riding position prioritizes rider comfort. Key features: frame material, a Lux-grade aluminum. Gears: 21-speed Shimano drivetrain. Brakes: linear pull brakes for reliable stopping power. Tires: 700x38C for a smooth and stable ride on various surfaces. Pros: affordable without compromising quality. Comfortable upright geometry for long rides. Easy-to-use gear system for varying terrains. Ideal for city rides and light trails. Cons: limited off-road capabilities compared to mountain bikes. Basic braking system may require upgrades for advanced use. Price range: $500 to $600. The Giant Escape 3 is the ultimate beginner-friendly bike, offering a perfect balance of comfort, performance, and affordability. It's a bike that can grow with you as you gain confidence and experience. Buying tips for beginners: when selecting your first bike, consider the following factors. Purpose: determine how you'll use the bike for commuting, fitness, off-road adventures, or casual rides. Fit: ensure the bike fits your height and body proportions. A professional fitting session can greatly enhance comfort. Budget: set a realistic budget that includes potential costs for accessories like helmets, locks, and lights. Test ride: always test ride a bike before purchasing to assess its comfort and handling. Maintenance: choose a bike with components that are easy to maintain and find replacements for. Are you ready to hit the road and start your cycling journey, but unsure where to begin? Finding the right bike as a beginner can be exciting, but with so many options out there, it can also feel overwhelming. We hope this guide to the top 5 beginner bikes has helped you find the perfect ride to kickstart your cycling journey. Whether you're hitting the trails, cruising through the city, or taking on the open road, there's a bike here for everyone. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which bike is your favorite, or if you have any questions about getting started. We love hearing from you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cycling tips, gear reviews, and beginner guides. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.